So I tried like kind of chemical welding that is basically epox, and it doesn't work because one of them is kind of like really flexible and the other one is, and then it kind of like gets like loose and stuff, and the other one is really too hard, and it dries up and it cracks. So basically chemical welding for like fences, it doesn't work. Even if my idea was kind of it's gonna work, it doesn't. So now I'm gonna try this. Yes, I'm gonna try a real flux welder and let's see if it works. I'm frustrated with this. I need to make it work now. This brand and Century. Let's see. Oh, by the way, to put that kind of wire, and it's a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna try my first tentative. One thing that I noticed, you kind of need to let it charge. This needs to be really short, but man, this will be a shit show. And it hurts. Now I will just finish, but I have the two main points. I have two main points, one here, one here. Horrible welding, by the way, but it will work. And I just need to finish. That's it. So I found out a few things. You need to keep a little bit more distance between that tip, the kind of the welder, and the part that you are welding, right? Otherwise you're kind of damaged because of the heat, the tip of the welder. Then you end up burning just the conductive wire or electrode. It looks horrible as any first weld, but it's done. Take a look. That's it. It looks horrible, but it's functional. This is miserable, I know, guys, but well, this is my first welding, and it's working 100%. It's done, and it works. And I painted and I bended. I basically bend like a huge screw to make the shape, and believe me, you need strength for that. So done. First welding. Looks like shit, but it works. Yeah.